while since I vlogged. Today it is Tuesday and it's 9 a.m. and we're going to the beach. A lot has happened since I last vlogged. I think last time I vlogged about half a year ago. Half a year ago is a lot can happen in 6 months. And so today I'm going to see my girlies and you will see them later. And right now we're just getting ready. We're gonna take a ferry to another island. So that's the plan for today. I'm gonna bring you guys with me because it's been so long since I vlogged and I don't know why. But anyway, we're back. School holidays and I can't wait to talk to you guys again and put out vlogs and yeah. Breakfast I got farm fresh yogurt. We're matching. Say hi to my vlog. Watermelon, pineapple, and mango. And Alicia got chicken. So now we're just waiting for Julia. She's a little late. But it's okay because our ferry leaves at 12, so it's all good. Fruits are unnecessarily expensive.
You used to co-starch.
Yeah, I saw co-starch. It was like $7,
and there was no watermelon, right?
Yeah, there wasn't. So I went to FairPrice and it's cheaper. So I got the watermelon for $4. More than the one that. Oh, but it's a lot. So tip is to go to FairPrice instead of Cold Storage if you want to buy fruits.
Hi vlog.
She brought a baguette and some cider.
This started to break halfway while I was carrying it and I started freaking the fuck out because what the fuck. So I had to put it in my bag.
As you can see, we made it out of the MRT. Like one day Juliana's
I'm actually gonna sail the world. You should have bought a ball.
I have frisbee. I think a ball is like fun to kick around.
She looks like she's gonna go on like her first day of school.
Yeah. How do you feel?
I'm feeling great. My shoulder hurts, but it's okay.
We are going on a ship now. Not a ship. It's like a little. What do you call it? Ferry. So now we're just waiting.
It's taking forever. Why am I not the most sad? I'm gonna get
We're here.
It's so cool here.
It's like literally the whole day. Hello vlog. This is our setup. So this is our food hall now. This is our setup. Look at that view.
I walked in the grocery this morning and this lady, you can't say that on YouTube. We're 18. We're actually 18. I'm 21. Yeah. Oh, mango. They're so good. No matter the bugs. Watermelon. Wow. Jasmine tea because it looks refreshing at the store by the boats. And then we got Juliana's baguette. She put up. And we got chicken. Big chicken. It is.
You gotta stand up and fight.
Hi guys, I got a owie too. And we all have so we're just stupid. Alcohol percentage, please and thank you. We just got out of water and now we're gonna play frisbee. You like my frisbee? So cute. But
Stand up and fight for you, God. This is our studio.
beaching, and now we're gonna go in the water and we're gonna bring you with us. We're also gonna find the multitudes of white, hot, sexy men who are also our age.
I was only walking through your neighborhood, saw you out on Honey in the cold. I stood anywhere I go, there you are.
It's basically nothing.
Anywhere I go, there you are. I've been getting used to waking up with you. I've been getting used to waking up here. Anywhere I
So
go, there
white.
you are.
It's like a different tone, man.
Anywhere I go, there you are. There you are.
I don't
There
like.
you are. You're the fire and the flood,
Ocean's my first love.
and I always feel you in my blood.
You guys gonna drown again?
Everything is fine. Your head resting next to mine.
There's a dog again. Hey guys! We out here. I'm just floating. He's holding on to the ice. Wait, I'm taking over about a vlog. Oh, it's cold here. Okay guys, you see the yacht? That's gonna be my future yacht. Actually, my second yacht in the future. Oh, it's cold.
Yeah, like, how to say this?
Wait,
you're not very visible right now.
basically what she's saying is red. I don't know why.
Which way is it? What way am I not supposed to touch? Which way am I supposed to touch? Right there. Wait, what's going on?
No, the trees, right? This flipping culture that we got here. Culture, beach culture.
We're going there.
Okay, so if anyone comes after us, like taxis, we have
Wait, can you check if there's a crab in it?
Hi guys, I've been left alone. They literally went all the way the other side and I have no idea. I don't want to go there. But anyway, I'm chilling here. Hello. I don't know if this is a bad angle, but so we are going to walk back. The guys left. So it's just us and the floor is fucking hot. Please someone take pictures and we need to leave soon. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Bouldering. Bouldering but in real life. We're trying to find the freaking. We're gonna get stranded. We started preparing to camp here. We're trying to find the freaking like, what do you call it?
We asked them. Yeah. We asked them for a ride.
There are kids on that yacht up there. And we'll just get a ride from them home, I guess.
Yeah, we'll ask them for a ride back because we like just stranded.
Fun! They're monkeys. Oh my god, don't.
We caught our little what do you call it, ferry. Just like we were relaxed. Yeah, we were relaxed. Shit, never put three of us together. We just got off the boat. That was a long ass ride for no reason, and now we're going home. We're gonna go change and we're gonna go home. And can you see that? Like, that's so cute. Well, yeah. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh, this video's gonna be like 10 minutes. Yeah. So we're heading home. But we have also like lost in the water and doing like examples. I was asking how long do you think the vlog's gonna be? Really? Okay, you can just cut it. Yeah, I'm cutting it. I don't mind watching the whole documentary with just us because we're just that interesting. Yeah, exactly. Anyway, now we're on the train and we're going home. We're like sandy. We smell like salt water. My feet has sand still. Yeah. I'll see you guys at home. They'll see you never. Yeah. Bye. Bye.